guys, welcome back to Russo Model Channel. Yes, member clubs. Yes, member clubs only. Thank you for the new people that joined to the club. It's amazing. I see they love your work so much, so more people come to the club, and I have to tell you thank you very much for the opportunity to build with you wonderful Bugatti. Today it will be a video for behind the screen and things like that, and I know that many people want to see the fully build of a carbon fiber car. We will try to do our best next time together with Asi and even many more people that join to the club, guys. But if you see my Instagram, you see that I start a new project, a really good one. For the new year, I have to put a new wonderful video. It's a couple of guys that have a drag race car, a BMW M3 E30, and I accept to the challenge to build this car, and I think I really enjoy, and you can see it over there. This is the original car of the owner, and I think it's amazing. They have drag wheels and parachutes and a JZ1 engine with a big single turbo, and yes, I will bring it and you will see. But people, this is what I promise for you guys. You will see everything before everyone, so you know better what's going to be on Instagram. You see before everyone, and I think it's amazing. If you can see the car, it's your tuning, and she look fantastic, guys. Do you see it? Everything inside. Look the engine, guys. Just look the engine. I think it's awesome with the exhaust pipe and things like that. I work a lot on this car, and you will see all the steps on Instagram, but here you will see the end result, and I think it's amazing. Look the parachutes. Removed before the flight, yes. I also build a trailer for that, and with lighter and things like that, and then the box closing, and it's amazing. Yes, guys, this is what I do in the time that I have. Today, let's see together behind the screen, Asi and me talking, and wonderful thing, one more parts. After that, we will start to build the interior together and do many things here. And I think you really enjoy. So let's see what Asi make for us. Enjoy and smile, and that's it. I hope that you will love it, yes guys, because you see the fully build on my Instagram. Go to Russo Model Channel. Yes, I know that you are there. So let's enjoy. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, the day after, and the day after. I have a little surprise for you. Wait and see. Bye bye.
Do we feel the same way I do? That Hello Yaniv. So here's some progress. You can see some of the templates that I created over here. This is after I already applied the decal to the car, and you can see that I'm doing little by little. Just finished the quarter panel. Okay, and I wanted to talk about, sometimes you ask me how do I get things straight, so I gotta do this part now. Okay, what I did is I always I took some pictures, create those squares, which I usually stick it in here and just run it with the roller, and that's what helps me a lot to keep things straight. So I'm going to do, this is the template from, this is the original one right here, opposite direction. I'm going to put it first in here to apply it from here on. Okay, and this end over here I'm going to cut it with the line later on. So that's how basically I get it straight without even doing anything else except going to the 90-degree squares that I created. And this is where I cut it from, randomly, anywhere. And that was, you know, basically that was the most important line right here. This line here is the straight line that goes in here. That's what I go by, and from there on, and I will explain more later on, but this is something that I always do to, to save some of the decal and get things straight too. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it. There we go, perfect. The most important part is the center, the top that I care about. That'll be the part right here. Take the brush and fold it on it. Make sure it sits good in there. Get some of the water out. Okay. Now, let's pull it down a little bit. Make sure that this will be exactly like we want it, and we cut it. Let's go a little bit further over here. I always take my time in here and make sure adjusting it. Everything looks okay. Let me zoom to that line, make sure. Okay, so we overlapped a little bit over there. Let's pull it down a little bit and bring it back to this line over here.
Yes, it was so nice and good. Thank you very much, Asi. I love you so much. I know that you see it It was a wonderful 3 parts together with you. I really enjoy. I hope that people learn something new. I think people on the next time that we will do joint project, and we will do, believe me, we will do it step by step. Asi will create wonderful video for you guys, and also me. This time, as I say in the beginning, we don't think about making a fully video of how to make a carbon fiber body. We just want to make a short video, and I think it's awesome, guys. So see you next time with a wonderful part of this Bugatti. We will start to paint some of the part, and we will do it together step by step, guys. Thank you very much, people. You are the man. Yes, you are. Member clubs. Thank you. Bye bye. Russell Model Channel.